Content creation is the new rat race. Content creation is the new 9 to 5. I suppose you have already heard this somewhere or the other. Everyone is talking about how content creators are endlessly chasing likes, views, subscribers, followers, whatever. It kind of makes sense too, क्योंकि जो चीज़ पहले एक open playground की तरह हुआ करता था, now it's more of a competition. It's a competition where everyone is competing against each other for followers, views and likes. And अगर किसी के views नहीं आते, they just feel like quitting. People often tell me कि तुम अच्छे वीडियोस बनाते हो, even if views नहीं आए, please continue making them. And that is the time मैं सोचता हूँ कि अगर really मेरे views नहीं आए, if I don't get views, will I really keep creating content or will I also quit? But उसी समय I take a step back and मैं खुद से पूछता हूँ कि why did I start again? Why did I start creating videos again even after failing in 3 previous channels? And उसी समय मैं अपने आप को ये आंसर देता हूँ कि I really love creating videos. Starting from the scripting part, उसका shortlist करना, then going to the next process of shooting, editing, मेरे को I just love the whole process. And अभी तो I am more like बहुत इंटरेस्ट आ गया मेरे को फिल्म मेकिंग और सिनेमाटोग्राफी में. एंड इसी वजह से आई सी कंटेंट क्रिएशन नॉट एज अ फुल ब्लोन हसल बट मोर ऑफ अ फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट जहाँ यू कैन express yourself truly through your voice, through your visuals and everything. But at the same time मुझे ये फील होता है कि will I be able to sustain with the type of videos I really want to make, या फिर मुझे ऐसे पे videos बनाने पड़ेंगे which will get me more views, more subscribers and more followers. And I know कि I am not the only one जिसको ये feeling या फिर confusion होता होगा कि should there be a balance between the videos that you make for yourself and the videos you make for getting more views. And this is the sole purpose of me making this video. If you are someone who creates content, मुझे तुम्हारा mindset जानना है. I really want to know the mindset that you have, the perspective, the view that you have on this particular topic. कि should there be a balance or there should be no balance. ये तुम लोगों से मुझे जानना है कि what's your views and thoughts on this particular thing. And also on the thing कि is content creation the new rat race or the new 9 to 5. इन दोनों चीज़ों के बारे में I really want to know from you people. So it will be great अगर तुम लोग comments में लिख पाओ कि what are your views on this particular topic जो मैंने अभी बोला. There was one more purpose behind making this video and that is if you are someone who wants to start the journey of content creation, जिसको start करना है ये वाला journey, you can just go to this comment section and वहाँ से you can learn many things about it कि क्या होना चाहिए क्या नहीं, and then you go to yourself asking do you really like this process of creating content या फिर you just want to create content because of the fear of missing out कि सब बना रहे हैं मैं नहीं बनाऊंगा तो कैसे होगा, कि ये बना रहा है वो बना रहा है I shall also start making content. Or should you also go into full kind of content creation जहाँ पे you make videos only for views and money, or there should be the videos that you make for yourself. सब कुछ का आंसर I think इस comment section में बहुत अच्छे से मिलेगा. Because I know my viewers, जो लोग आप लोग ये videos देख रहे हो, I know you people. यार you guys can answer these questions I feel like. So that's it for this video. मतलब this video wasn't something of a कि मैंने कुछ story बोला अपना या फिर कुछ full blown cinematic shots रह गए. Nope. This video was more of a real talk. This topic I feel is needed to be sorted out या फिर like इस topic में बात होना चाहिए कि people are telling content creation to the new 9 to 5 new rat race. I don't believe that from my opinion. Because like that's the thing, that's the different perspectives चाहिए मुझे. तो वही है, मेरे को different लोगों का mindset जानना है, what are your take on this particular scenario. तो बातें होगा comment section में, चलते हैं comments में.